Another video, and today I am going to be making a video on Fallout 76, and I am going to be making a video on my friend's house tour. His name is X1X Epitaph X1X. If you guys want to go follow him on Xbox, he is one of my good friends, and we've been friends for a very long time. And I'm just going to be giving you guys a house tour. And this is his house, and right here we'll be getting into what this wooden thing is. So as we get in, these are the structures to the house that make it stable. Then as we walk into the door, we see this little contraption which goes into there, and this is what we sound when we hear or see enemies, and then we go out and kill them. So it's a siren. I thought that was pretty cool. And as it will turn off soon, we'll wait for it. Okay, now we go into the room. I think my friend has dropped something. Fusion core. Okay, and as you can see, this is our music room, and my favorite is the steel guitar, to be honest with you. Yeah, it has nice rhythm. But anyways, oh, by the way, if my camera's dark, that's because I wanted to set the mood, if you know what I'm saying. And my friend is right there, looking all good in his little bumblebee outfit, is what I call it anyways. But his piano is really nice, in my opinion. But yeah. And this is just your basic chemistry station, your weapons workbench, armor workbench, and then your tinker's workshop, and then the cooking station, of course. And then we go upstairs. And then, oh, by the way, we do have a lot of lighting, and these specific lights actually do they do light up a lot of stuff, in my opinion. And then, this room right here is basically just like a little storage room. We haven't built anything in it, but I'm really liking these lights. And if you guys can see this little place out here, this is our little land that we put the base on, and it's actually really nice. And this is our rooms, and my friend Mason, he actually likes he has a heated blanket, as you can see, a heated blanket down here. If you get the joke, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, we just sleep here. But I'm going to try to be posting more Fallout 76 videos, because I haven't even posted video in quite a minute. Or quite a bit of a little time. I don't know what to call it. But anyways, so that's basically it for this video. And we're going to be adding more stuff, or making even a bigger house. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. And I'll show you the outside. Show you a little bit around it. I got to shut this door in case any creepy car ollies come in it. But yeah, maybe I can do more house tours in the future. But yeah, all in all, this is probably a 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10 house. But it could have more fixes. And as you can see, he's playing the what is he? He is playing the bass, I believe is what it was called. Yeah. Oh, I am getting stuck on a rock. But as you can see. And now he's playing the tuba. But yeah, this is just a little roundabout of the house. And in my opinion, this is one of the best visual games I've played in a long time. Like, honestly, I like 1950s visuals, and they killed it. with this game, in my opinion. But here he is. Again, X1X Epitaph X1X. If you guys want to go follow him on Xbox and me, my name is Meow Kyrie, and you guys already know what my name is. But hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So, hopefully, you have a good rest of your day, and see you later. So, bye.